This is room 1166. I just checked in to the Grand American Hotel. I just took a quick look around and I'm impressed. I'm excited to show you guys on the video. Look at this little espresso machine. We got directions. Hopefully we have, yeah, look at that. We got coffee and tea. What else is there? Yep, that's locked, or not really a drawer. Ooh, look at the mini fridge. Bunch of stuff. No liquor in there. I wonder if that's going to be the thing. Looks like there's an ice bucket. And let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, over here to the left as you walk in the entry, there's a closet. Got an iron and an ironing board. Okay, and then the living room. Look at this furniture. It's kind of like if your grandma was the queen, this would be what her living room would be like, maybe. We've got a big TV there, which didn't work when I first walked in, but after a couple minutes it did, so I'm not sure. Oh, look, there's a second fridge here that's empty. All right. There's a big desk here. And we've got a Utah Style and Design magazine. All right. And then there's this window, a little balcony. I'll go out on the balcony in the other room. Let's see if there's anything in the desk. Nope. Nope. Okay. So here's the bedroom. It's got doors you could close off. And I doubt that's a sofa bed, but I'll double check in there. So here we go. We got a chair and king size bed. Let me show you the view from the balcony. There's another even bigger TV in the bedroom here. Okay, so let me open this up. Nice. Okay, look at this. We got our own little tiny balcony. Getting some fresh air. It's a beautiful day. I'm facing the front entrance of the hotel. There's the driveway where you first come in, and the valet is right there. So, then the bathroom was the most impressive part to me. All right, so we have a big shower, or not shower, a big closet, 2 luggage racks, which is no, 3 luggage racks, wow. 2 bath towels, or 2 bathrobes. Okay, and they've branded Grand America. There's a safe and, oh, there's a steamer too, which is nice. All right, there's the bathroom sink. And these are not, oh, they are cabinets, okay. Just one is a cabinet that opens. So there's full-length mirror here and here. Water closet room here, and then very nice sink, hair dryer, towels. We've got lotion, soap, shower cap, and look at the bathtub! Hooray! It has a great bathtub. It looks wonderful. It looks nice and deep. No jets, which is fine with me at a hotel. I always am a little suspicious of jets at a hotel in a bathtub. Pretty shower. No handheld shower though. It's just that one coming out of the wall, and then some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Confused.
Sorry.
Do you guys know, how do you get to the indoor pool?
You go up those stairs.
Oh, okay, thanks. I gave the Grand America 4 stars across the board. It was a really lovely hotel, beautiful lobby, great pool with service at the pool, comfortable room, great bathtub.